In this video, I would like to introduce to you Recover You Ozone Steam Sauna system and teach you how to use it. I will start with this here because it's the first aspect of the treatment. This is a CO2 cylinder. This is a CO2 regulator. Next aspect of it is obviously your ozone generator. Here this generator is being fed by an oxygen cylinder that has a very specific regulator attached to it, and this oxygen will feed you generator, ozone generator on this side. So you see here the clear tube is where the oxygen goes in. Here the ozone comes out. Also, while I'm at it, I just wanted to mention that the ozone generators, there's various applications. One is making ozonated water, okay? One of the applications is insufflation. This is something you can do, rectal or vaginal insufflation. This is the bag that gets filled up. This is a catheter that is being infused with. This is another application, which is breathing through the ozone device. And with this application, basically anything from your belly button up will respond very well to this application, right? The other one applicator is ear insufflation. So it's kind of simple. You again attach it to the generator, actually to a lure lock, and you can put this on your ears, and so you can infuse the ozone gas through your ears into the nasal cavities, etc. The next aspect of it is the steam sauna itself. It's being run by the steamer. Basically, all the function of this is producing hot steam for the person to sit in. The sauna has got, obviously, those are buckles for the doors, so the doors don't swing too wide open. You have got a seat with basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adjustments. You have got this space where the actual steam comes out, and the person sits down here on a towel. Also, another part of it is a thermometer, because while you have the individual or yourself are in there, you want to make sure that the person is not overheating. If it's overheating, it gets stressful for the body. You want to have a good middle where you increase the body temperature by 1 or 2 degrees. You don't want to shoot it way higher, okay? So, and then the last aspect of your ozone steam sauna system is the oxygen concentrator, which goes all the way to 10 liters per minute. And it basically, while you're in the sauna, you will have this on you, and you can breathe this high amount of oxygen. Basically, it is like a EWOT therapy within the sauna. Your body has got approximates a condition of exercise. You infuse 10 liters of oxygen, and you got EWOT therapy on top of everything else, okay? All right, so those are the different parts of your system. First step is to adjust the seat to your height and to your comfort. There's actually 5 railings and 2 other adjustments on each railing, so you've got 10 different settings, okay? For the small and very tall. Now, the next step is you take a white towel. This white towel you will place on your seat inside the sauna. The reason I want it to be a white towel is because when you sit in the sauna and you start shedding from your body toxins, you will see a discoloration on this white towel, okay? I'm not saying this will happen right away, but it could, right? You will start seeing little dots or more discoloration, okay? Now you close the doors, okay? And you take a towel and cover up the hole on the top. What we will do next is use the steamer to preheat the sauna. And I'm gonna also turn on this machine because we want the ambient air to concentrate and be ready for your session. Now, what will happen in about 15 to 20 minutes, your sauna will be fully heated up, at which point you will have somebody go in there. All right, we have the person go in and sit in there. We put a white towel around the neck for comfort and also so the heat stays inside the sauna, okay? We have here the thermometer something that we obviously monitor throughout the whole session, right? And now the next thing we will do is place the cannula for the EWOT therapy or the oxygen therapy on the person's head and into the nostrils. Next step is the CO2. Now, this can be used, but only after somebody already has had few sessions, ozone steam sauna sessions, okay? So for a beginner, no, but after a few sessions, absolutely worth exploring. Because we have had her having several sessions, we will open this up and use it. For her, right now, we use 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes, we close it, and we will now wait a minute, after which we will start the ozone generator. In the meantime, what you can do is make sure there's enough hydration happening, the person is not overheating, just check how the client is doing. So let's see, we did this, we gave her a little bit more water. Now we will start the ozone generator. We will open up the oxygen cylinder, we will set up the oxygen regulator, and we will start the ozone generator. Okay, here. Now the ozone is going to be going through the silicone tubing into the sauna capsule. And we give her about 15 minutes in there. And this is how your ozone steam sauna works.